stop saying his name, you're going to owe me 20 bucks. It goes up closer to Christmas. Give him some room. He's a big guy. There you go. Nice job. Get him through the hoop, then change hands. Oh, there you go. Good. Tunnel. Change hands with your treat. Good. Nice job. Wow. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Out gate. Nice. Go hoop. Oh, you messed up. Gotta go around the barrel. There you go.
Around?
Around. Good boy. Now change hands. And go, go, go. Wow, that was awesome.
Very good.
Hey, that was great.
Yeah. Wow. Teton's like, I'm going to be out in the field chasing whatever I can shake.
Boy, buddy.